Hello students. So in the previous videos we have discussed about three main phases under which all the other phases are categorized, that we have discussed, and these phases are pre-investment phase, implementation phase and operational phase. So in my previous video I have explained about pre-investment phase. In this video we will discuss about implementation phase. So whatever things are designed or whatever things are planned in pre-investment phase, these are implemented in the investment phase. In this phase the industries or project managers will be involved in setting up the manufacturing facilities, and project needs to be designed and implemented. So designing is done in the pre-investment phase, whereas implementation means whatever the plannings are done, that is implemented in this phase. So under this phase there will be three main activities or phases, or it is further classified into three sub phases: project and engineering design, negotiation and construction, contraction and construction. Now let us discuss with the first one, that is project and engineering design. In this particular phase it consists of site probing and prospecting, means you should have a site on which the construction or whatever the manufacturing is to be done. You should have that land. This is done in this phase, that is in a project and engineering design phase. Next, preparation of the blueprint. If you are building one house or some apartment or something like that, you should have a blueprint how you are going to implement this. That is called as a blueprint, means how you are going to implement the projects. That is a blueprint. Then the plant design on which the project is constructed, or sometimes the plants itself is designed for plant design itself will be a project. Next, we should have a plant engineering and selection of machinery and equipment. All these things are done under the project and engineering design. Next phase is negotiation and construction, and it covers activities like project financing. So you need to discuss about the financial matters about the project. That is also very important. So finance is one of the very key factor. Then requisition of the technology. We should have a technology. If there is a involvement of the technology, most of the cases in project there will be involvement of the technology. So requisition of the technology is also very important. Next, construction of building and civil work. If any civil work or construction is there, it needs to be done in this phase. Next, provision of utilities, supply of machines and equipments. Then marketing arrangements, etc. These are all coming under the negotiation and contraction section of the implementation phase. Next is a construction. This phase involves activities like site preparation, construction of the building, means you need to have a proper preparation for the construction of the building. Then erection and installation of machinery and equipment. You need to properly install the machines where it is required to fulfill the requirements of the project, and also you need to train your engineers, technicians and workers. And also plant commissioning is also very important. So these are the factors which are under construction. Like that, the implementation phase can be done under three different phases, and these three phases are the project and engineering design, negotiation and contraction, and last one is construction. So I hope you understood or had an idea about this implementation phase, and thank you for watching this video.